Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Double Five Double Five. Today's topic is simple and short conversation in present, past, and future simple tenses. In this video, you will learn some short and simple sentences for everyday use.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't.
Does she go to school?
Yes, she does.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Did she call you?
Yes, she did.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Did you eat fruits?
Yes, I ate an apple and a banana.
Will you eat fruits?
Of course, I will eat some later.
Do you eat fruits?
Yes, I eat a lot of fruits.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every day.
Did you exercise?
Yes, I went for a run in the morning.
Will you exercise?
Of course, I will work out in the evening.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love reading books.
Did you read a book?
Yes, I read a few pages last night.
Will you read a book?
Of course, I plan to read one before bed.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea every morning.
Did you drink tea?
Yes, I had a cup of tea an hour ago.
Will you drink tea?
Of course, I will have some in the evening.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had eggs and toast.
Will you eat breakfast?
Of course, I will eat something healthy.
Do you go to work?
Yes, I go to work every weekday.
Did you go to work?
Yes, I was at work all day.
Will you go to work?
Of course, I will go tomorrow.
Do you take a bath?
Yes, I take a bath daily.
Did you take a bath?
Yes, I took a bath in the morning.
Will you take a bath?
Of course, I will take one before bed.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I love playing video games.
Did you play video games?
Yes, I played for an hour last night.
Will you play video games?
Of course, I will play after work.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Did you listen to music?
Yes, I listened to my favorite songs this morning.
Will you listen to music?
Of course, I will play some music later.
Do you watch movie?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
Did you watch a movie?
Yes, I watched one last night.
Do you use social media?
Yes, every day.
Did you post a photo?
Yes, this morning.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, every night.
Did you watch a movie?
Yes, a thriller.
Will you watch TV?
Yes, after dinner.
Do you play video games?
Yes, when free.
Did you download an app?
Yes, for learning.
Will you update your phone?
Yes, this week.
Do you like technology?
Yes, a lot.
Did you fix your computer?
No, still broken.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!